Hello and welcome back to my channel, DIY with Aurea. Today I have several DIYs. I hope you enjoy it. Sit back and relax, grab a cup of coffee or some hot cocoa and enjoy these DIYs. DIY number one. Now I have this cotton throw for $5 from Five and Below and this Dollar Tree stocking that I will be using as a pattern. I am going to be creating two stockings. I really like the color and the texture of this material. What I am going to do is, because I'm not going to be sewing this, I'm going to be hot gluing it. For those that like to sew, go ahead and do so if you like, but this is the way that I'm going to be doing it because, I like quick DIYs. I'm turning it around. Yeah, this is the way it looks so far. I have these wooden beads that I will be painting in red. So I will be putting a red and a cream color, and then I will be gluing it on top. And with this here, I am doing a pom-pom, a cream and a red one. This is the way it's looking so far. And I'm gonna glue it right in front. And as you can see, I already glued those wooden beads, and this is the way it's looking. And these I got at Dollar Tree. I painted them in gold, but I didn't like it, so I went and I turned them around, spraying it with this metallic silver. Do you like it in gold or silver? And I'm recycling these candles. I've done something similar in other videos. I'm just melting it for 5 minutes. And these little cups, I got them at the secondhand store for 50 cents. And I just thought that I'd give you this little quick DIY. And I converted 2 of them into candles. And let's continue with our next DIY. I have this charger and this snowflake ornament that I will be disassembling, and I will be painting it in white, and I will be painting the charger black. And now that they're all dry, we're going to start assembling it. I really like these 2 colors, and with some of this chalk paint I am going to be making little dots around this charger. And now that that is done, let's start decorating it with this snowflake, and I also have this Merry Christmas. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start embellishing it once both of these 2 pieces are completely dry. And I'm also gonna sprinkle it because it is Christmas, so we need some glitter. I'm going to be using these wooden blocks just to make it look like 3D. If you follow me, you know that I love doing this process. Now that it is completely dry, because I had to paint it black, so like that you won't be able to tell. Just, has to blend in. I'm going to glue it right here in the middle. And the snowflake is going to go right on top of that one. And this is the bigger snowflake. And then the one that we did the glitter, that's also going to go right here on top. So I'm going to put another little block and the other snowflake on top of the block. And we're going to make it look 3D, just like you see. I'm liking it already. I'm going to do the same process to this Merry Christmas. Put some glue on it. And then once that is done, I am going to glue it on top of the charger. Right here on top of this snowflake. I'm liking it. I think it's looking cute. What do you think so far? We need to add some color. But before I do that, I am going to cut a piece of jute twine And I am going to put it in the back of the plate, so like that we have something to hang it on the wall. And this popsicle is just to make it stronger. And for those that don't know who this is Diva. And now I have these 2 ribbons that I am going to be making 2 little bows, tying them together. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of hot glue and glue it right on top of that Merry Christmas. And I'm going to go ahead and trim the ends. I also have a pine cone that I'm going to be gluing right in the middle of this bowl. And some red berries as well. And this is the way it is looking so far. I am loving this. And continuing with the second charger. I am going to do a similar process. I got this Mary from Dollar Tree. I'm distressing it a little just to make it pop or give it definition. This is the way it turned out. And I have a deer this time. I found this all the way in the bottom of my pile. I am going to be gluing it right here on the sides because it's a little dent right there, as you can tell. But nobody's gonna know because it's gonna go toward the plate just like you see here. And I'm gonna be doing the same process with the snowflake. But this time is smaller and it's gonna go right on the side of the reindeer. I think it looks cute. And the Mary, I put it on top. I'm going to be putting some red ribbon, just like you see here, and the red nose. So I guess we could call him Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Oh boy, I cannot sing for the life of me. But this is the way both of them look together. I like it. This will be part of my decor this year. Let me know which one is your favorite. The one with the deer or the one with the snowflake. I also have this little trade from last year. I used it for my honey and my tea. I'm going to just give it a little bit of definition. I like to use that word. I'm going to paint the borders in white. Something really quick and simple. I thought I'd just share that with you. I also have these window claims that I am going to be putting inside the tray so it won't look so plain. And I will be using some Mod Podge. I like the snowflakes and I will be using 2 snowflakes and 1 pine cone. And now that they're all in place, I'm going to go ahead and seal it with some Mod Podge. And these were simple DIYs. I'm inviting you that if this is your first time and you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing so like that you could be part of my channel. Don't forget that notification button. Like that, I can see you in my next video. Adios.